My name is Nick Priovalos, and I'm a criminal defense lawyer. I defend cases in Vancouver, Surrey, New Westminster, Richmond, and the rest of the Lower Mainland. If you need a criminal lawyer, I'm interested in representing you, and I want to let you know what you can expect from me. Number one, you can count on me to answer your questions. Whatever your questions might be, I will make time to answer them. There are no stupid questions. Number two, I will sit down with you at the very beginning and explain what you have been charged with, what will happen in court from your very first appearance to your last, how long it will take to resolve your case, and what the consequences will be if you are convicted. You would be surprised how often people are not sure about these things and left worrying about them unnecessarily. I will be there step by step to guide you, and you can rest assured that you will have the information you need. Number three, I will review the evidence against you piece by piece to find holes in the prosecution's case. By law, the prosecutor has to provide a detailed disclosure package to every person charged with an offense. That package contains all kinds of useful information about the case. Things like police officers' notes and reports, witness statements from prosecution witnesses, crime scene photographs, reports on fingerprint and DNA evidence, and anything else in the prosecutor's possession which either helps or hurts the prosecutor's case. I will review all of that evidence with the following questions in mind. Does each piece of evidence come from a reliable source? Is each piece of evidence consistent with the rest of the evidence? Is your version of events more likely to be believed by a judge or jury than the prosecutor's? At the same time, I will review the evidence to ensure that it was obtained legally. As a defense lawyer, perhaps my most important function is to hold police and prosecutors accountable to you by watching out for violations of your rights. That means ensuring that the police had reasonable grounds to arrest you in the first place, ensuring that the police did not illegally search either you or your possessions, ensuring that the police did not illegally enter your home, ensuring that any search warrants used by the police were based on sound and reliable evidence and issued following the appropriate procedures, ensuring that the police did not illegally obtain a confession from you or other harmful or damaging statements, and ensuring that the police told you about your constitutional rights, including your right to speak to a lawyer when they were supposed to. If there is any indication that your rights were violated, I will advise you if those violations can be used to weaken the prosecutor's case and strengthen your defense. And number four, in plain English, I'll tell you what I think will happen if your case goes to trial. I will give you my honest, no-nonsense opinion and lay out your options for you. If it makes sense to plea bargain, I'll tell you. If I think there's a chance of convincing the prosecutor to drop the charges against you, either with or without conditions, I'll tell you. If I think you should fight the case, I'll tell you and explain why. At the end of the day, I will work with you to achieve the best outcome possible so that you can move on with your life. It will ultimately be your decision what to do, but I will make sure you have all the information and advice you need to make a good decision. I hope you found this video helpful, and I wish you the best of luck in resolving your criminal law issues. If you would like to speak to me, my contact information is on my website, and you are welcome to meet with me in person for a free initial consultation.